You could get a question like this on the SATs. It's what I'd consider a question on functions. It says if certain function f has a property such that f of x plus f of y is equal to f of x plus f of y, okay? For all values of x and y, it says which of the following statements must be true when the value of a equals b. So what this is telling you is if you have a function f of a plus b, it must be equal to the value of f of a plus f of b. Having said that, it says the value of a is equal to the value of b. So if that's the case, I'm going to go ahead and substitute the value of b for a wherever I see it in this function. So let's go ahead and try out the first function. The first function says the value of a plus b equals 2 into f of a. Okay, using this the distributive property, what this means is that f of a plus, as opposed to writing b, I'm going to write a is equal to 2 times f of a. If you double check this, f of 2a is equal to 2 f of a. So statement 1 is true. Now let's go to statement 2. Statement 2 says that f of a plus b equals f of a squared. The first thing you got to realize is this is a product, this is an additive function. So even if you did f of a plus a, substituting the value of b for a, it will not be equal to f of a all squared. So statement 2 is incorrect. Let's go to statement 3. Statement 3 says f of b plus f of b is equal to f of 2a. Okay? Substituting the value of b for a, I can write this as f of a plus f of a is equal to f of 2a. If you notice, this function is the very same function that we had on the very top, whereby you know that the value of f of 2a, in this case, a plus a is 2a, is equal to f of 2a. So in this case, statement 3 is correct. So statement 1 and statement 3 are the only two statements that's correct. So in this case, your answer would be C. Thank you.